Here in front of me, we've got 4 accessories that every action camera owner needs from Telesin. Now, Telesin are probably one of the companies out there that are most popular, along with maybe Ulanzi, that make third-party accessories for all the popular camera manufacturers. There are some fantastic ones here. They have sent me these to review, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm just going to give you my honest opinion on these and whether or not you should purchase them. Spoiler alert, all of them are really good. So let's take a look at the battery charger first of all. Now, as we know, GoPro, for instance, is not the most, efficient battery user, shall we say. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery charger for 2 GoPro batteries. You can get 2 in here. I've actually got Telesin's own stamina battery, which is sort of their equivalent of the Enduro battery. It's a few pounds less, and I've found that it does just a good job as the Enduro battery. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. It works perfectly with the GoPro 11 and 12 especially. It does come in the box with these little sort of adapters that if you have got any of the older batteries, the older GoPro batteries, which are a little bit of a smaller dimension, then you can put those in here as well, and it will charge those smaller batteries at the same time as well. So it works with GoPro batteries all the way, I think, back to 6 or GoPro 5. So if you've got any of those batteries, then you can charge it with this as well. This is a power bank as well. It is 10,000 milliamps, like I mentioned, but in this little port here, you've got a USB-A and a USB-C charger, so you can charge your iPhone, your Android phone, your whatever device you want to charge with this. This will charge it up. 10,000 milliamps will probably charge your iPhone 15 or iPhone 14 2 or 3 times. So yeah, great accessory to have in your bag, and a must-have for GoPro users especially, because we know we get through batteries like nobody's business. It's got a little power button on the side, which gives you the LED indicator to let you know how much battery charge is in here. Charges at a max of 20 watts, so you know you're going to get some decent charge out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give one of these away as well. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And I'd like to give this one away to one of you guys out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a picture on my Instagram account. I'll link the Instagram account down below. I won't give stuff away on YouTube because there's just too many scammers out there, but if you go over to Instagram, I'm going to post a picture of this charger on Instagram. Give me a follow and comment on the picture and let me know what your favourite accessory is in the comments of that photo. So yep, go over to my Instagram, link down below, and comment on that photo of the power bank, and I'm going to give that away to one of you. I'll contact you through Instagram. They're worth about £65, so yeah, it's a decent price. So yeah, go over to Instagram and comment on that photo. The next one we're going to check out is the remote controller. Now this works very, very well. I've got it actually connected to the GoPro 11, and when we press the power button, I'll show you there, to turn it on, it will actually turn the GoPro on as well because it's connected. I've connected this previously and then it stays connected, and then you can control the camera with this remote. So you can start and stop recording. Works instantly. I don't know if you can see that on the camera above. Stop recording. It gives you the countdown on there. It gives you the battery percentage on here as well, and the RC. You can change the settings with this little star button, and then you can go through your different presets as well through there by pressing the setting button. So yeah, it connected seamlessly, works really well. It's connected by Bluetooth and it stays connected, and when you want to power off the camera, you just hold down the power button on the remote and it powers off the camera as well. So it works fantastic. It comes with a proprietary magnetic charge on the back to keep it charged up. I've only charged this once. I've been using it a few times on the mountain bike, doing some testing out of the max lens mod, which is the next accessory we're going to talk about from Telesin, and I really like it. I think it's a great accessory and priced at only $35.99 currently on Amazon. If you do want to purchase by any of these products, by the way, they'll be linked in the description down there. So that's another great accessory from Telesin. It's always handy to have a remote if you want to control your camera from a distance, or you've got it mounted in a weird position on your bike. You can just press the remote instead of having to reach down. It's very convenient. It's a great accessory and I fully recommend that one. I really do. Right, the next one is the Max Lens mod, and this is compatible with the GoPro 11 and down, not the 12, unfortunately. But priced at only £52 at the moment. It's 20% off on Amazon as of filming this video. It's a great accessory, so it's like half the price of the Max Lens mod from GoPro. It works really well. I've got some footage here that I've been recording. Records in 2.7K, of course, on the GoPro 11. You've got horizon lock then, really wide 155-degree field of view. Well worth accessory, The only worry with these max lens mods is the same with the GoPro max lens mods, which I've got here, is that these are sort of bulbous lens on there, so you know they could get scratched. But you know, if you're gonna get a max lens mod, I fully recommend you get this one because it's half the price and it's cheaper to replace if you do ever scratch it. So works great, very good accessory, half the price as a GoPro one, so that's, you know, it's a no-brainer really. And the last one is this cage for the DJI Action 4 and 3. Now, I'm a big fan of cages, especially if you're using your camera more for vlogging rather than action sports. Now, this one works with the Action 4, very nice. It's got this little switch which you just have to switch open like that, and then just slides out the camera like so. You can like take the ports off the side of the DJI Action 4 if you want to, so you can access the microphone or the charger. But all the buttons are accessible, and then on this side you've got a 1/4 inch, so you can sort of mount directly a selfie stick to it to record in vertical mode. So that's great, that's built into the cage. It gives you cold shoes as well, so if you want to put your microphone on here or you want to put a light on the cage, you can do. So it's got 2 different cold shoes on here for mounting different accessories, and that's really good if you're going to rig this up. Like I said, especially for vlogging, personal recording, you're taking this on a trip and you want to record your adventure, then this is a great accessory. It comes in very useful. You can still access the mount, the magnetic mount on the bottom of there. You've got all different accessories. You can really rig this out to how you want to do and customize your DJI Action 4. This is only priced at £32 in the UK, so it's a great accessory. Very good material, hard wearing. I'll keep it on my Action 4 all the time because this is the camera I use at the moment with the DJI Mic 2 to record my vlog. So some really great accessories here from Telesin, and like I mentioned, they are one of the top names when it comes to third-party accessories for GoPro and action cameras. So go and check them out. All the products will be linked in the description down below, and make sure you check out my photo Instagram link down there so you can possibly win the Telesin power bank. It's a great accessory, and one of you people out there I will be lucky enough to win it maybe. So go and check it out, give us a like. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, it really does help, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.